So we're headed to Piney Grove, and I thought we'd just show you what it's like on our little drive when we bring little Miss Sassy Pants. Little Miss Sassy Pants is not happy because she is tethered to the back seat. But Daddy made room for her in the back seat this time. She's only sharing it with half a seat full of tools.
Very essential tools needed for everything. Tractoring.
Excavating. Digging. You're a good digger, aren't you? What do you smell? What do you smell, good girl? You're being such a good girl. You're being such a good girl.
I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
Well, we're on our way home from Piney Grove, and as you see, driving home is a big difference from driving out there. I walked 5 miles with little Sassy Pants, so if I walked 5 miles, she ran 10 or 12. But it's made for a much more pleasant drive home.
And I got to drive Precious.
Yeah, Brad got Precious, I got Bella, wore out. It was a good day.